There's a lot more work than I expected to get it done, but we got it done. Drilled the hole, got the bracket in, the brake lines all in, got the rear end in, upper and lower control arms in, got the aluminum drive shaft in. Right, mufflers, everything is all in pretty much now. Just gotta clean up, look over everything just to make sure everything's all tightened up, no missing odd end parts or nothing like that, and then put the shocks in. Right, last thing you gotta do now is put the shocks in. After we're done that, then we're good.